All right, y'all. So it's day 2, man. Eric back with Auto Replay, man. I gotta be a dang mechanic, man. I've been running around trying to figure out this metal brake line for this brake thing, right? And the flare tool I got from Home Depot is not the right one at all. So I went to mechanics over by my office, man, and he's got the correct one because I guess it's like a bubble flare you got to put on there, not like a standard flare that, you know. So he's like, oh, you got to have the right kind of flare tool to make a bubble flare, or this kind of, you know, flare that you would put on the actual brake line because all the pressure. So this is why you got to watch the videos, man. Like, so I'm gonna show y'all the right flare tool, and then I'm gonna run to this place called Scotty's here in Tallahassee. Supposedly they have all the brake lines and they got all the pieces to put it back together. So once I'm able to flare it, then I should be able to, well, first I put the pieces on, and then I should be able to flare it and then screw it back together. It should work. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna show y'all, man, what's up. All right, so underneath the car, this is the fittings I got from the mechanic. So I'm gonna slide these on, see if they work before I put a flange on it, or flare on it, and I'll show you the flare tool I got from him. All right, so got a new end on, I think that's the passenger side. It's able to flare it out with the tool. Here's the driver's side. Get y'all in there. I didn't show the process and all that because I'm trying to get this thing done. But basically put on the fittings before, and I used the flare tool with a little, it's like a little part that goes in here. Put that on, and I'll show you on another one. So I think I'm gonna have to get a piece that goes in between the two, about yay long, because I was gonna pull it together. I'll see if I can pull it together. If not, I'll get a piece to go in between it. Got this section that I made. I flared both sides and the sides of the car, and I'm going to put this little section in there and pray to God that it doesn't melt because it is all sleep. Alright, so basically you can see already I got that end on there, and I've already flared this side out. So you can see that way up there. And this other side is right there. So basically I'm gonna put a little piece in between the two to make this work. See how it holds up. Alright, so you see, there's the repair. Got the bad line in, and basically put a new line in there with 2 new ends. We're gonna put some brake fluid on and see if that holds. So far so good. My buddy Bob came by. We bled all 4 of the brake bleeder screws. I took it for a test drive, stopped. I actually drove, picked up my kids. And so far, it feels like it's doing pretty good. I'm gonna check for leaks in the morning. Just make sure we're good. And the brake master cylinder, make sure that the level is still on the line it needs to be. But I think we got something going on. I'm gonna see about getting that muffler cut off, man, because I know what's there now is got exhaust leak, and it's probably gonna heat up that brake line again, tearing it up, man. So I don't want to go through all that. So I'm gonna see if somebody can cut that. I'm gonna cut that doggone exhaust muffler out. Maybe Saturday I'll get with the mechanic, see if I'll throw him $100 or something, like if he'll weld me a new one up or something like that. So we'll see. All right, man, I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right, peace.